Hello everyone, my name is Rushikesh Thote and I am from Vishwakarma University Pune. So first of all, we are discuss about the what is federated data warehouse architecture. A federated data warehouse architecture enables multiple independent data warehouses to share data and metadata without physically moving or transforming the data, providing a unified view of data from various sources. So first of all, we are discuss about the introduction of the federated data warehouse architecture. A data warehouse architecture is a decentralized approach to data warehousing that integrates multiple independent data sources without consolidating them into a single repository. Instead of physically storing all data in one place, it enables real-time access and querying across distributed database using middleware, APIs, or virtualization, data architecture enhance flexibility, reduce data duplication and support, and many more heterogeneous data sources while maintaining autonomy. However, it possible challenges like performance optimization and data consistency management. So next we are discuss about key features of federated data warehouse architecture, and this is the main part of the federated data warehouse architecture, and this is the main points key points of the subject. So first key feature is decentralized data management. So decentralized data management is data remains in its original location while being accessible for unique queries. This data is cannot be removed. It is original at its place. Second is virtual integration, uses middleware APIs or data virtualization to create a seamless view of distributed data sources. This is the main key feature of the federated data warehouse architecture in the data warehouse and data mining. So it is useful for all virtual integration. And next is the next and third key feature of the federated data warehouse architecture is heterogeneous data support. Means heterogeneous data support, this is the integrates multiple databases, formats and technology without requiring standardization. Means no standardization in these data supports. And main vision of the key feature and federated data warehouse architecture is scalability and flexibility. These both are very important in the key feature of federated data warehouse. And what is the scalability and flexibility? Easily accommodates new data sources without major restructuring. Means it is not easily accommodate for new data sources to get new data without restructuring. It is built for structuring for getting the new data. And last one and fifth is near real-time access. Means access the enables up-to-date data retrieval without frequent ETL process. ETL process is very long, so now I am no explaining for this part. So we are turning next part of federated data warehouse architecture. So characteristics of federated data warehouse architecture. So many more characteristics of federated data warehouse architecture. So I am few characteristics of federated data warehouse architecture are explained. First of all, decentralized architecture. Decentralized architecture is data remains in its original independent database rather than being moved to a central repository. Virtual data integration uses middleware API or data virtualization techniques to create unified view without physical consolidation. And third is the heterogeneous data sources, supports diverse database formats and technology across different platforms. Fourth, autonomy and local control. Each data source maintains control over its structure, security and compliance policies. They are the characteristics of federated data warehouse architecture. and many more characteristics of federated data warehouse architecture in this, but me few are characteristics are explained by me. So next and main important thing is advantages of federated data warehouse. So many more advantages of federated data warehouse. So one of the advantages is no need to replicate data. Means in that federated data warehouse, we no need to replicate data, and reducing storage cost, means reducing the storage of the data, and many more. And next, real time access to the latest data from source system. And next, faster deployment since data movement is minimized. And next is support heterogeneous data sources. It can be support heterogeneous data sources is very main, like cloud, on primes, and external, etc. So this is the advantages of federated data warehouse. And last is the disadvantages of federated data warehouse architecture. So disadvantages of the federated data warehouse architecture is like performance issue, complex query, data consistency, many more. So we are explaining one by one. So first is the performance issue. So performance issue is that the query execution can be slowed due to the distributed data processing across multiple sources. It will be means processed across multiple sources from by query execution. And next, complex query optimization. It requires advanced techniques to optimize queries and balance system load. To executing the federated data warehouse architecture to complex query optimization, and third, data consistency challenges. Ensuring uniform data across different sources can be difficult. Next, security and access control risk managing is that the managing permission across multiple independent database increases complexity. And last one is the dependency on network speed. This is the high reliance on network performance which can affect query